In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual site on Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean language switcher in your site header and a working connection to Weglot, so visitors can browse your content in multiple languages without leaving your site. First, open your site and head to the header area. Hover over the top of the page and click Edit Site Header. This opens the header editor so you can add tools that appear on every page. If your site has multiple header layouts, choose the one you use most, so the switcher is always visible. Inside the header editor, click Add Elements. This is where you add items like buttons, social icons, and in our case, the language switcher. Think about placement here. The top right corner is a common, familiar spot for language controls and keeps it easy to find on both desktop and mobile. From the Elements list, select Language Switch. Squarespace will drop a language selector into your header. You can usually tweak the display to show language names or codes. Text labels like EN and ES or full names like English and Espanol are typically clearer and more accessible than flags. Next, click Go to Language Settings. This takes you to your site's language and region panel where you'll connect the translation service that powers the switcher. On this screen, choose Weglot as your translation solution. Weglot handles the heavy lifting by detecting your site's content and providing translations that you can review and refine. It's a popular option because it integrates smoothly with Squarespace and gives you control over what appears on each page. Click Connect to link your site to Weglot. You'll see a prompt requesting permission. Click Allow so Weglot can read your published content and serve the appropriate translations. This permission is required for the integration to work correctly. Finally, sign up for Weglot. Create your account, and during setup, you'll be guided to confirm your website's original language and select the languages you want to add. Weglot will begin building translations for your pages and generate language-specific versions that your new switcher can toggle between. Once connected, preview your site and use the switcher to test. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh your browser or clear the cache. For quality control, open a few key pages and review translations in your Weglot dashboard, where you can edit wording, exclude sections, and ensure brand terms remain consistent. If you need to move the switcher later, return to Edit Site Header and drag it into a better spot. And remember, concise language labels tend to work best on mobile. That's it. Your multilingual Squarespace site is live and ready to welcome a broader audience.